All right, welcome MegaWhale team to another Bitcoin update. We're going to be taking a look at the daily chart to start with. We can see on the daily chart we're in this ascending channel. If you're confused, we did another video on all of this stuff already, explaining it in a lot more detail where we're thinking the price is going to go in the long term and the short term. So take a look, that's our first video we did. Otherwise we'll get stuck into it. So we've got our 200-day moving average here. This is giving us some temporary relief, a little bit of temporary support at the moment, but we can see the price is actually right on top of it at the moment. Now, if we do lose this 46,700, 46,600 level, we do expect a move downwards to the $43,000 range. We have been predicting $43,000 basically ever since we lost that $53,000 range, and it looks like our prediction is about to come true. Every single time we drop this 200-day moving average, we do get a nice strong push downwards. Here. Basically, any time you look at where we drop the 200-day moving average, you will notice a pretty significant drop downwards. So we do expect, if we do lose this level on that daily chart, we've got 56 minutes left, and we get a new candle to open below that 200-day moving average, well, $43,000 is going to be the next target. So let's move it down to 4 hours, and we're just going to put our our bull market or our long-term trend line in since the market recovered, which is this line here. Perfect. And we can see that ever since we had that retest up here, we had that initial drop down. We did speak about this in a previous video, push up and retest, that rejection. It's been pretty evident that we are going to continue this trend downwards. That's a pretty significant data point we have there, and a pretty obvious, I would say almost given indication that the market will trend downwards until we reach the next major support. And like we said before, that major support is laying at around $43,000. That's just the objective facts. Obviously I'd love to see Bitcoin go up from here, but the facts are we are going to come down to 43K. I'll try to give you guys an unbiased update on the market. I don't like to take my own personal accounts into it. We just look at the charts, listen to what the charts are telling us, and then relay the information to you guys. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame, the 5-minute chart. So why did we crash down so significantly? I guess that's a question a lot of people are asking. Well, we can see here we had this we had this triangle formation. All right, guys, this is called a descending triangle, where we have a horizontal support line and a descending trend line. So we have a price bounce between and eventually break to the bottom side. We have that retest, that rejection, and a confirmation that the price will continue downwards. So we're not going to get it into it too much today. We'll do a separate video for these triangles, but for today, just understanding that if you do notice this market pattern, this is a very bearish continuation pattern, and it's almost very obvious that we would have continued down here. So that's a little market update for you guys today. We're still watching that 46,600 to 700 range. If we can close above that range with a nice strong green candle, there is a chance we'll see some bullish divergence and a market flip. Otherwise, $43,000 is looking like the next target. All right, guys, remember, follow us on Twitter, link in the description. Join our Telegram channel. We have a whole bunch of awesome, amazing content there. And remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.